I'm John Suarez. I'm with Widener University, Department of Electrical Engineering. So the Manufacturing PA Innovation Program, it's just opened up a lot of doors for my students. I think it's important that students not only understand engineering and technology and science from the classroom perspective, but we also want students to be able to do things so that they can see realistically basically the outcomes of their efforts, and they can produce things. It's rewarding for them personally, and they can see and reinforce what they're learning in the classroom, and this program has definitely allowed that. I mean, there are actual products being made, still in prototype form, and I think it's a valuable experience for students, and we're just grateful to the program for the support. So right now, Widener is working on this project involving detection of potholes using radar. And so I know we all love potholes, and it's great if we knew they were coming before we actually hit them. So what the project aims to achieve is we're trying to see if we can equip cars as an aftermarket product. We'd like to see if we can put a radar detector on the bumper of the car, and then you have radar just shooting out, trying to monitor the roadway ahead and to alert drivers ahead of time if they're about to hit a pothole. We're working with Dorman Products. They're in Colmar, PA, and they've been phenomenal in giving us very good advice on what to look for in the product development side of things. You know, we're engineers, engineering students, and we're always thinking about the tech. We're not thinking about necessarily how to sell something, and they've been very good with giving us advice and pointers on what we should do in our research. And when you look at the resources available here in the state, I'm impressed. I'm impressed, and programs such as these are just, they're essential. And again, very grateful for the support.